Hey everybody, Jaybo here. Say a couple weeks ago I picked up a really sweet 67 Barracuda Nacho. Anyway, kind of been walking around it and just ordering stuff that I need. It needs a lot. I need to walk around it several times, probably. But anyway, the first thing I noticed was it's without keys. So, I mean, I have no keys, no ignition key. I don't have the door keys. The one thing that bothered me the most, I guess, right away was no trunk key. So it's keeping me from easily getting into the trunk. So anyway, we're gonna fix that today. So here, I'm up on eBay and picked up this lock set. It was it was 47 bucks. The whole thing. And the user is moparshop.com. Anyway, nice complete key set. It's got here's the ignition lock set. Here's the two doors. The quality appears to be very, very nice. I mean, I got four ignition keys. The lock set comes with there's like three trunk keys. The one appears to be really kind of a good quality. I mean, it's the wrong key type for this year vehicle, but whatever. I really don't care. And you got several rods. It must cover ABE body styles, I imagine. This says 66, 72 trunk lock. So we're gonna take a look at that. But anyway, let's see. In my case, I'm just missing the lock mechanism. You can just take a screwdriver and stick it in the back. If your lock is there, you'll have to probably have to drill it out. Just run a drill bit in it and get the old lock mechanism out. Anyway, as you can see, it's kind of slotted right there. Anyway, a flat-bladed screwdriver fits right in there. Ooh, if you can see it or not. But anyway, give it a twist to the right, pops right open, just like that. All right, so we got a couple different length rods, I guess, to choose from. So I'm gonna pick out the one that's about that long. Well, minus the lock set too. So take a look. That's weird. Wonder if I could just stick this in and just cut it off. I don't know if I need the Mickey Mouse. I don't know why some of these are bent. For some reason. And then this little clip, goes, I don't know, once you get it in there, you'll see how this clip goes. It snaps into place. Anyway, let's go take a look at it. Yeah, maybe it needs one of them bent ones. I'll take a look at it. Yeah, kit didn't come with instructions. I looked on YouTube. I didn't see a damn thing, so you're gonna struggle with me today. Yeah, I'm gonna check this out. I'll be back. Hey, Jaybo back from Bad Tree Productions. Here we are at the open air satellite shop in beautiful downtown McGregor. Anyway, I was kind of freaking out about this issue here. This lock kit has all these different links, and since this car didn't have a trunk lock in it for me to reference, that kind of tipped me over, because I'm just on the spectrum kind of like that, I guess. But anyway, checked with the internet again. There's nothing on the internet as far as this goes that I could find. I do have, I've got about 40 repair manuals in my library. And a couple of them had, shows body panels and stuff like that, how they work. It did not show, none of them even showed the trunk lock though. So then my brother stopped over with his 66 Cornet, and his key looked identical to this one, and the inside mechanism looked the same thing. And why wouldn't it be the same? I mean, because this says 6672, you know, trunk lock, OEM key mechanism. So I came to the conclusion that I'm not going to sweat this stuff here. This must be for I don't know what, but this is obviously too long. So what I'm going to do is stuff it in there. I'm going to mark it, cut it off with a Sawzall, and then slam her home. Alrighty. Well, there's something else too. This kit, it comes with a little clear, kind of a rubber plastic gasket. We'll look for it because it's hard to see because it's clear. It's in a clear plastic bag. Anyway. Yeah, something else I did was this latch mechanism was it had just old grease in it, and it made it really difficult for it to move. So I sprayed it down with some carb cleaner, and I got all the gack kind of out of it. Then once it was dry, I sprayed it down with some lithium, and it works a lot better now. So most of the mechanism I see that's it's sticking beyond the latch about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm just going to put a mark on it with this pencil that I can't hardly see. Pull her out. I'm going to whack it off right about there. Well, let's get at that. And like that, let the finagling begin. Kind of like that. Alright, what I just did was stuck that clip to the end of this magnet and got it kind of stuck in back there. And hard to see, but it's like that right now. See it? Anyway, now I'm gonna kind of wrap on it with a hammer and a screwdriver. Be back after that. Anyway, I went right in. So I kind of greased it up with a little lithium, and that made it slide in a little easier. But then I wrapped on it with had a long screwdriver, not like that. I don't know if you can see it in there or not, or that's what it looks like. I believe it's seated. Look at it from the other side. You can't hardly see it. All right, let's give her a try. Holy shit. Yeah, it almost works too good. Anyway, not a big deal, but you know, like I said, I overthink things. This didn't help when they throw these weird rods in there. They go to something, but I don't know what. No instructions. So anyway, hopefully this was some instruction. Next time around, I'll probably hit the doors and the ignition switch. It'll be a while. But at least now I can get the trunk of this thing, so that's all I wanted to do. So anyway, thanks for watching.